Hi friends, I am Samar Singhania. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about and unbox this Cosmicbyte gamepad. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So at first, let's look around the box. The Cosmicbyte branding, Nebula wireless controller, turbo mode, 12 numeric buttons for PC, and this side a nano USB receiver, vibration effects, turbo mode, and this side up to 8 meters 2.4 gigahertz technology, up to 12 hours gaming time for all Windows game X input and direct input. And behind this there is some information like features, MRP and others also. So 1899, but you can buy it from Flipkart under 1500. The link is in description. Go ahead towards it. So let's open the box. The seal is already broken. I've got this box inside the another box. At first, you look the plastic cover. Here it is, the CD and the user manual, and this gamepad, and this USB cable, micro USB, and this receiver, and this OTG cable. That means you can play with this in your smartphone also. So like, take it out. Okay, put these things aside. These are the drivers you can install in your PC if you have the disk drive in your PC. So let's look around the device now. These are the buttons and analog sticks, D-pad, home button, select start, turbo mode, and behind this is made in China, and 2.4 GHz wireless PC control model name, and Cosmicbyte branding, and this is the on off switch. Let's on this. This type of reading you will found when you switch on this first time, and you must plug this receiver into your PC or laptop or desktop. Then you will be able to play any game with this gamepad. These are the LTRT buttons, L1, R2, RT, L1. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it useful. So stay tuned till the next video. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye.